It's a class that teaches visually impaired people to use a computer.
What happened to the word justify? It was there a minute ago. Barbara is visually impaired.
Anything that you would normally do on a computer, I can now do it myself. I didn't realise there was a programme that would speak and tell me sort of exactly what was going on.
Page down.
I can do things that will now help Alison as well.
Alison, their daughter, has learning difficulties and communication problems.
We brought Barbara along to the class, and Alison and I used to sit in the corner.
Alison used to use a board attached to a computer for speech therapy.
And they said, oh, we got a touch screen here. Let's see. She does pictures, she plays games on there now.
They've been able to support each other, and obviously Ken and Barbara have been able to help Alison.
This is something we actually thought of.
I can do the text, Ken does the photos, and because of that she's learning to read.
You work together as a team and it brings you all together.
It's just made a whole world of difference.